There's something special about pop-up cards. It's just like unwrapping a gift. You never know what to expect. These cards are as much fun to make as they are to receive, and sketching ideas on paper is a great way to visualize the possibilities. For this card, I chose a 12 by 12 inch heavy cardstock for the base and a double-sided birthday design to lay over the front, back, and insides. Here are the dimensions of each piece in inches. Using this tool, I cut each piece down to size and then scored the heavy cardstock for easy folding. The front and back of the card will have the same cake design, while the insides will have the candles. This will be the base over which I'll glue the gift bag. Here are the dimensions of the bag's components. Once these pieces are cut, scored, and hole punched, it'll be easy to assemble. If you don't have any of these tools, use a pair of scissors for cutting, a ruler for scoring, and an X-Acto knife for carving holes. Thread the ribbon through the holes and tape the ends facing upward. Apply double-sided tape and fold the flap down to cover the ribbon. Glue this piece shut and set it aside. It will come in handy shortly. For added texture, fan out and layer at least 3 sheets of real tissue paper, pinch it in the middle and snap it. Secure the bottom with tape so it stays in place, and then tape the tissue to the inside of the bag. It's worth mentioning that cutting a sliver off these particular tabs before securing them in place will ensure that the bag won't tear with constant friction from opening and closing the card. This piece will serve to hold the contents of the bag and to add depth. It'll also rise up as the card opens. Glue these tabs to the inside of the bag and then glue the bag closed. Measure twice and secure once. Center the bag and glue or tape one side at a time to avoid a sticky mess. To customize and tie the whole card together, I chose a flower pattern paper, a dainty blue ribbon, and cat cutouts in a combination of colors that were already in the paper design. Now let's add one more thing, a pocket for the note. Here are the dimensions. Simply cut, glue, and slip in the note. This pop-up card was a lot of fun to make. There are many ways to customize these cards, so keep the recipient in mind and use your imagination to create something wonderful. Thanks for watching!